Hello, in this video we are learning about simple interest, and our question is, if you deposit $8,000 in an investment account that pays a rate of 25% per annum simple interest, how long would it take to earn $1,600 in interest? So our question, summarizing it, we are investing this, so this one is our principal, then it is at this rate, so this one is our R, and we are gaining this, and this one is our interest. So using our formula, I equals to P times T times R out of 100. We have this interest, we have the principal, we have the rate. We are interested in the period. So we are going to just substitute in everything we have. So our interest is this equals to 8,000 times T times the rate, which is 25%, that is over 100. Then we can cancel these zeros and remain with this. So that will be equals to 8 times 25, then times T. And 8 times 25 is 200. So you have 6 is equal to 200T. Divide by 200, divide by 200 on both sides. So we get our T to be, these zeros will cancel, and we remain with 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So our period is 8 years. That is our final answer. Thank you.